Across global factory floors, investment casting powers progress, and behind its performance are machines built to excel. At SHREE Mayur Engineering Company, we empower industries with top-tier machines built for the investment casting process. From basic to advanced, from automated to intelligent systems, our machinery is designed to simplify operations, accelerate output, and enable faster growth. Based in Gujarat, one of the country's most powerful manufacturing corridors, SHREE Mayur Engineering Company was founded in 1989 by Mr. Vallabh Ambasana, built on grit, discipline, and an uncompromising engineering mindset. Carried forward by his son, Mr. Priyesh Ambasana, the legacy expanded with a bold vision to become the world's largest supplier of investment casting equipment. Guided by that ambition, the business has scaled, grown, and dominated the industry. Today, we stand among India's leading manufacturers of investment casting machines and equipment. Trusted by an industry where precision is non-negotiable. Strategically located and purpose-built for scale, our operations span 3 advanced manufacturing units spread across a total land area of 1,25,000 square feet. At SHREE Mayur Engineering Company, our product portfolio is engineered to command every stage of the basic, advanced, and highly automated investment casting process. Our range includes wax injectors, pattern assembly systems, primary coating equipment, and backup coating equipment, wax reclaim and collection tanks, and wax preparation and transfer systems. For advanced investment casting plants, we offer high-precision, digitally controlled wax injectors, robot-operated shell rooms, and state-of-the-art coating equipment, integrated with automated shell drying conveyors and custom-programmed operations for maximum process control. For high-stakes industries such as aerospace, defense, and surgical components, we deliver ultra-precise wax injection systems powered by high-tech control technologies. This is not a collection of completely customized machines. It is a complete investment casting ecosystem designed to perform relentlessly, operate seamlessly, and scale globally. At SHREE Mayur Engineering Company, production is a discipline, a carefully orchestrated process built on massive infrastructure and driven by cutting-edge machinery. Every project begins within our in-house design division, where ideas are translated into precise engineering layouts, simulations, and manufacturing plans. These designs flow seamlessly into dedicated fabrication, machining, and finishing divisions, each purpose-built to handle complex operations with speed, accuracy, and consistency. Highly skilled manpower anchors every stage of production, combining hands-on experience with technical discipline to execute critical processes under strict controls. Multiple layers of quality checks are embedded throughout the manufacturing cycle, ensuring dimensional accuracy, material integrity, and performance reliability long before final assembly begins. Assembly is carried out with meticulous attention to alignment, integration, and endurance. After which machines are robustly packaged to withstand long-distance transit. A well-coordinated dispatch system then ensures timely, safe delivery to customers across the globe. From the factory floor to global markets, our engineering travels far, trusted by over 450 clients in the investment casting sector, set performance benchmarks. From China and Singapore to Russia, Romania, Italy, Sudan, Kenya, Dubai, and Oman. Not the loudest, not the largest. We are the most dependable. At SHREE Mayur Engineering Company, being the best in the business means delivering machines that perform for decades, where it matters most, on factory floors across the globe. Because global industries don't compromise, and neither do we.